Hello and welcome to our training. In this video, you will learn how to create a test vote in TownVOTE Connect. It may be helpful to create a test vote to validate that all of the keypads are working and to encourage confidence amongst the audience. When you are ready to create the test vote, go to the settings page in TownVOTE Connect. Select the connect icon from the base settings on the right side to connect to your receiver. After connecting to the base, ensure that the keypad range and base ID reflect your desired parameters. If you are experiencing issues when attempting to connect your base, you may want to refer to the article linked in the description. After connecting, the base settings should look something like this. Now, click on the Test Keypads button near the bottom right. This button will bring up a new window with a grid showing keypad IDs. At the top left, you may adjust the threshold for the voltage and the signal strength needed for the keypad to register on the grid. The drop-down menu on the top right corner will adjust the number of keypads displayed on the grid, with options ranging from the first 100 keypads to the first 1,000 keypads. When you are ready, press any button on the keypads that you wish to test. After pressing the button, you should see an OK displayed on the LED screen, and the keypad ID associated with the keypad should illuminate green on the grid. On my screen, you can see that I successfully tested keypads 31 through 50. Thank you for watching this training on how to create a test vote in TownVOTE Connect. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.